Need work done at height, safely and efficiently? Using the wrong equipment can be dangerous, slow, and costly. Overtime Building Maintenance provides professional bucket truck and service van solutions. Technician elevated using bucket truck, repairing lights, signage, or exterior fixtures. Safe and controlled operation. Service van with tools ready. Our team handles high-access jobs with precision, from lighting repairs to exterior maintenance, using the right equipment for the job. Safe, high-reach access, fast and efficient service. Professional equipment, reliable results every time, trusted by property owners and businesses for dependable maintenance solutions. Need safe access for your next project? Contact Overtime Building Maintenance today.